Here are examples of doing word problems involving proportions, or proportions with word problems, however you want to say it. When I look at the first example here, I know it's going to be hard to read. Everybody should have a worksheet at home, so it shouldn't be an issue. It says if 3 gallons of gas cost $11.53, then how much gas can be bought with $75? Round the answer to the hundredth of a gallon. In order to do a problem like this, you want to be consistent. And it doesn't matter how you set it up as long as you're consistent. So what I'm going to do is say gallons to money. It just tells me how I'm setting it up. So as I read this first part here, it says if 3 gallons of gas, so I say 3 gallons of gas, cost $11.53, $11.53. Then, that would be my equals, how much gas, so how many gallons of gas, that's going to be my variable, X, can be bought with $75. And we'll use the techniques taught in the previous section to solve this. I'm going to multiply by the denominators. So I want to multiply by 75 and by 11.53. As I distribute this to the first fraction, the 11.53s will drop out, meaning that I'm left with 75 times 3, or 3 times 75, however you prefer to say it. For the second fraction, the 75s would cancel out, and I'd be left with 11.53 times X. To solve this, I can divide both sides by 11.53. I'm going to do something a little different here. I'm going to go ahead and let the calculator do all the work in one step. So I'm going to divide right now by 11.53, even though I haven't simplified this over here. Just kind of showing you a different look to solving equations. Now, because I have my calculator, I'm simply going to type in here 3 times 75 divided by 11.53, and I get an answer immediately as 19.5143. But the directions told me to round the answer to the nearest hundredth, and so I'm going to write this as 19.51. That would be a rounded answer. That's the appropriate answer. And there's your example 1.